welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be different from what you're used to. Don't worry, I have a fun video coming, but I want to talk about something, and I want to be real with y'all because something was recently brought to my attention. Excuse my nails, I broke one tonight. Something was recently brought to my attention, and y'all, it's been kind of taking me off. Like, okay, let's rewind a little bit. I am updating my beauty room. I am turning Mac. Come here. This video kind of involves Mac, so we're gonna get him in here. Say hi to the peoples. Okay, so I'm turning the. Okay, that's enough, baby. It's enough. Why don't you just. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna sit here like this, Mac. So I'm turning the dog room, which is where I have like my pit bull's cage and all of their food and all of that stuff. I'm turning that into like my beauty room / filming area. And so I'm also in the process of like cleaning out my makeup while I do this. And then it was Christmas, so I got more makeup. And my husband got me a gift card to Sephora for Christmas. Well, I'm in a makeup Facebook group, and someone told me that the makers of Coty Airspun recently started testing on animals. Now, y'all know I love my dog. I love my dog so much. This little man right here is my best friend. Like, he's legitimately my absolute best friend. And excuse my hair and makeup and all of that. I know I probably look a hot mess right now. But I just got off work. It's like 2 in the morning, and I really wanted to film this video. And so before I get into the video, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the healthiest person in the world. I consume extreme amounts of caffeine. I do smoke cigarettes. I occasionally have out like a drink or two. So I'm not the healthiest person in the world. But, and this is a huge but for me, while I'm not vegan, I don't want to put money into a company that tests on animals. Because when I think about it, and this might sound foolish to some people, because some people might just be like, oh, you know what, brands do it, it's for safety, blah, 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 blah. I think about this guy. I think about someone putting, and I really don't know exactly how they test on animals, but I think about someone taking the chemicals that they're making my eyeshadow with and putting it in his eyes. Hi. That's what I think about. I think about someone spraying perfume on him and seeing if he has a reaction, or washing him in chemicals that are going to go into my shampoo to see if he has a reaction. That's how my mind works. So now let's fast forward to now. So that prompted me to go to crueltyfreekitty.com and look at all the brands that test on animals. We're going to go through this. And I'm gonna hit the brands that I know for a fact. Like, I know in my head that, like, I know they exist. Almay. Always. Like, the people who make pads. Let's see, who else? Aquafresh, Arm & Hammer, Aussie, Aveeno, Avene. Axe, Bath and Body Works, Benefit, Bic, Biore, Bobbi Brown, Bozacia. Hold on. Oh yeah, Bozacia. Bounce, Calvin Klein, Carefree, Caress, Chanel, Chapstick, Chloe, Um, Apparently Christina Aguilera, Clairol. Oh, there's more. Clarins, Clinique, Clean and Clear, Clarisonic, Colgate, Clorox, Comet. Okay, first of all, Clorox and Comet are cleaning products. Why are you anywhere near an animal? Cody, Copper Tone, Crest, Curel, Dawn, again, a cleaning product. Also, wasn't it Dawn dish soap that was used in oil spill cleanups? Uh-huh. Dial, Dermablend, Diesel, Dior, Dolce & Gabbana, Donna Karan, Dove, Downy, Dr. Brandt, Dr. Jart, Dunhill. Oh, there's more, don't worry. EOS, Escada, Estee Lauder, Essie, Eucerin, Febreze, Fendi, not Fenty. Just want to clarify that. Fendi. Gain, Garnier, Gillette, Giorgio Armani, Givenchy, Glam Glow, Glade. Are you hearing the cleaning products that are testing on animals? Like they're testing on babies. Like this, my little fur baby. Got to be the hair care. Greenworks, the cleaning product owned by Clorox. Guerlain, Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essence, Hugo Boss, Ivory, Jergens, Jimmy Choo, John Frieda, Johnson & Johnson, Kiehl's, Kotex, L'Oreal, La Mer, I think La Roche, I don't, Lady Speed Stick, Love Beauty Planet, Lubriderm, Lysol, MAC, which I did know, Makeup Forever, I didn't know that one, but Makeup Forever, Marc Jacobs Fragrances, who's owned by Cody. I didn't know Cody owned Marc Jacobs Fragrances, but okay. Matrix, Max Factor, Maybelline, Michael Kors, Miu Miu, Mr. Clean, NARS, Neutrogena, Nexus, Nice and Easy, Nivea, Noxema, NYC, OB tampons, Olay, Old English, Old Spice, OPI nail polish, Organics, OGX, Origins, OxyClean, Pantene, Pat McGrath, Peter Thomas Roth, Philosophy, Pine Sol, Pond's, Prada, Procter & Gamble, Purex, Ralph Lauren, Redken, Rembrandt, Revlon, Rimmel London, ROC, SC Johnson, Schick, Scope, Secret, Sensodyne, Sephora, Shiseido, Sinful Colors, the nail polish, Soft and Dry, St. Ives, Stay Free, Suave, Tide, Tom Ford, Tommy Hilfiger, Tony Moly, Tresemme, Valentino, Vaseline, Veet, Venus, Vera Wang, Versace, Victoria's Secret, Vidal Sassoon, let's see, Wella, Windex, Woolite, Yes Saint Laurent, and that's all the ones that I saw on Cruelty Free Kitties. They definitely test on animals website. So, thankfully, nothing I got for Christmas is on that list. So I want to talk about this for a second. And like I said, this is not like my normal video, but if brands like Too Faced and ColourPop and Winky Lux and like there's brands out there that find a way to test products without testing on animals, why can't these brands? Like a smaller brand like ColourPop that has just as much pigment as, say, MAC, can find a way to like get away with not testing on animals, but Estee Lauder can't. And if you didn't know, MAC is owned by Estee Lauder. So I mean, I know that me being one person, I can't change that. But what gets me is these are cleaning products like Pine-Sol, Clorox, Tide. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing that involves animals? Comet. Why? Why? Why is a harsh chemical like Comet being tested on animals? And I mean, don't get me wrong, I haven't gone and I haven't looked at any photos or any videos. And you know what? I really don't want to, because I really believe that might just traumatize me for life and I might never wear makeup again or clean my house again. But y'all, this really has me like my mind blown, because I was gonna go to Sephora tomorrow and I was just like looking at different makeup and I was like, you know what? I came across a hair care brand that I hadn't heard of and I was like, you know what? I wonder if they test on animals, because I'm looking for a new hair care line and I would like it to be something that doesn't test on animals, because I am trying to go that route with my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I do have a few products that were purchased before, or they weren't exempt, they weren't part A, they either weren't, words are hard for me right now. A, they weren't purchased by me, or they were purchased before I started going on this whole purge. And I mean, that's essentially what I'm doing. I'm essentially purging my makeup of brands that test on animals. But to see like Clinique, that kind of has me upset, because one of my favorite foundations is by Clinique. And like Revlon, really? Maybelline, really? I didn't see L'Oreal, hold on. Okay, so I went back and I don't see L'Oreal, the makeup on here. Never mind. Okay, so L'Oreal, they make another foundation that I really use. Also, these brands that like make tampons and pads and like female products, the heck are you doing testing on animals? But let me find out a brand like that shoving a tampon up an animal's, you know, because I mean, testing on animals is animal abuse to begin with. And I'm going to dig deeper. I want to know exactly how these products are testing on animals, because I want to know for me. But let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about these companies that are testing on animals when smaller companies can get away with not testing on animals? Especially companies that, like, for example, Love Beauty Planet. It's a drugstore company. They make body care and hair care. How can you call yourself Love Beauty Planet and then still test on animals, which, hey, guess what, are part of the planet. You know what I mean? This is how my mind's working right now. So I'm gonna do some more research because I want to know. I want to know how these companies are testing on animals. But let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Like, are you just like, eh? Are you like, are you interested in doing this purge with me? Do you want me to make a video about all of the makeup that I end up having to essentially throw out because they test on animals? Let me know. I want to know what you think and your thoughts and your feelings on this entire situation, because I'm just like thinking about it and I'm like, what are you doing? Because if you're testing on animals, if what would my dog be going through? What would my fur baby be going through? But that's the video today. I know it wasn't fun. I know it wasn't like super upbeat, but I feel like this is something that needs to be talked about. Because I recently watched one of Tati's videos, and she's going through the whole clean. She wants to make sure there's no parabens, sulfates, harsh chemicals, etc., etc., etc. And eventually I want to get to that stage, but right now I kind of want to go through my products and see how many products I have that actually test on animals. If you want me to make a video about that, let me know in the comments, and we can see where this road takes us. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.